Hello guys, welcome and let's solve this question. I read the question first. Solve using completing the square method. 4% of, open the bracket, x squared plus 1, close the bracket equals to 1% of x. And so guys, we now begin to solve this question. So guys, I'm going to write this equation, that is to adjust it to be quadratic equation. Of course, it's quadratic equation, but I want to standardize it. And so this is now going to be 4 over 100, which essentially is 0.04 times. Now we have x squared plus 1 is equals to 1%. Guys, for 1% is 0.01. 0.01 of x, that means it is times x. And so therefore our equation guys is 0.04 x squared multiply again by 1, this comes to plus 0.04 is equals to 0.01 x. Guys, I can now bring 0.01 x on this side, and therefore we shall have 0.04 x squared minus 0.01 x plus 0.04. This now comes to 0. With that, I can come and multiply each term by 100. Guys, if I multiply by 100 each of the terms, guys, I'll get the first is going to be 4 x squared minus 1 x now plus 4. This comes to 4. And so therefore, this is now our equation. For us guys to complete the square, we need to divide by 4 there. We'll divide by 4 this term and also by 4 this term. And therefore, guys, we shall have x squared minus 1 over 4x now plus 1. This is now equals to 0. Guys, now we come to completing the square, of which guys this now comes to x, that is the square root of x squared, x square root of x squared now minus, this is going to be 1 over 4 times 2. Then you put the bracket there, squared, now minus 1 over 8, because this is 8, now squared, plus 1 is equals to 0. With that, guys, we shall have x minus 1 over 8 squared. And now guys, this now comes to minus 1 over 64 plus 1. 1 we can put it in terms of 64 over 64 equals to 0. And so therefore we shall have x minus 1 over 8 squared. Guys, we can now take these figures on this side. But before that, we can say 1 minus 1 over 64 plus 64 over 64 gives us 63. And so therefore, when we get the figures, guys, we shall have 63 all over 64 this side. That is, when it is on this side, it is 63 over 64. So when we bring it this side, it becomes negative 63 over 64. Guys, now taking square root on both sides. Take square root on that side. You take also square root on this side. Guys, you shall have x minus 1 over 8 equals to plus or minus square root of negative 63 all over square root of 64, which is now 8. And so therefore, guys, we are going to have, we have x minus 1 over 8 equals to plus or minus square root of negative 63. Guys, square root of negative 63 is the same as square root of negative 1 square root of 63. And guys, square root of negative 1 is supposed to be j. And so therefore, guys, we shall have, when we bring this 1 over 8 minus 1 over 8 on this side, we shall have x is equals to plus the first answer solution, j, which is negative, as we have said, square root of negative 1. And then we have the square root of 63 plus 1 all over 8. Coming to the second solution, whereby we have this negative, we shall have negative j square root of 63 plus 1 over 8. And so therefore, guys, these are our solutions. Thank you guys for listening to me. Bye.